Have you ever wondered how a brush or a broom got its name? Watch to find out. Okay, so what I've just done is I've just collected some broom branches off a tree and I've just snipped them down to length. Let's just have a quick look at what I've set out down here. So just here is a broom branch. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to chop a little bit off. There we are. Then I can add that to my pile of other branches that I've already chopped and gathered. And I'm going to then gather all this together and tie it onto a handy stick, which I have just here to make my broom with. So I'm going to gather all this broom up into my hand like this. So you can already see I've got the basis of a brush here for brushing, but I've got a saw back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie all these bits together and then put them on the end of my stick to make a broom. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, as you guys can see, I've now tied my broom all together, and I've got quite a nice little brush head at the end. It's going to need a wee trim, but let's see if we can attach it to the stick. Okay, so here's the finished product. I've attached the handle to my broom bits, and so let's see if it works. We'll start by clearing some of this snow. Oh, it's a dream to work with. Supple. And there you have it, people. That is how a broom got its name. Okay, broom finished. I think Harry Potter would be proud. I think this would be better than his Nimbus 2000. So let's mount the broom, kick off, and away we go! Woohoo!